Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to transform a messy design layout into a perfectly aligned one using the grid system in Affinity 3. First go to View and then Guides. This opens a window where you can adjust the grid settings. Here under columns I select 6, which are the vertical ones. And under rows I select 5, which are the horizontal ones. We can also set the margin to have more space around the edges. Here I enter 100 pixels. We can also enter a number for each individual side by clicking on the chain symbol here, but I will leave it as it is. I might change it to 50 pixels. Here you can switch from outline to fill. And here you can select a custom color. And here you can set the spacing again. I will change it back to outline. What you set here is entirely up to you and your design. And now you can easily place your elements perfectly. Make sure you have the snapping tool enabled. Yes, and now it's perfectly aligned. With the preview mode, you can turn the grid system on and off. If you don't see it, just right click here at the top and you will find it a little further down. Then drag it wherever you want. Yes, that's it. Subscribe if you like the video and thank you for watching.